New invoices on hold. If you check this checkbox, your users cannot invoice for this customer. We'll discuss an example. We'll enter customer tax invoice for this customer. System will display a message, this customer is on hold and cannot be used. Please select a different customer or update the customer on hold checkbox on the master file. So if you want to block invoicing for this customer, you can check this option. However, you can enter customer receipts for this customer. And you can also enter customer codes. And system will pop up a message. You can, if you want to continue, you can continue. And from this new invoices on hold option, you can block invoicing for particular customer.